The wrong moving gear can turn a controlled machinery move into a tip-over. And the deciding factor is not simply capacity, it is how high the load sits, how far it must travel, and how precisely it must turn. Machine skates and dollies both roll on wheels or rollers inside steel frames. Machinery sliders use engineered plastic pads that slide instead. That wheel versus no-wheel difference changes the entire move. Start with machine skates. They are the established choice for long, continuous moves across solid factory floors. Depending on the model, capacity ranges from about 1.5 to more than 100 tons per skate. Rigid versions track straight, swivel versions can turn. But individual units can weigh up to roughly 120 pounds, need wheel or bearing upkeep, and often raise a machine 4 to 6 inches. Choose steerable dollies when the route is the challenge. They support tight turns, precise spotting, and 3- or 4-point moving systems. System capacities can reach hundreds of tons. The trade-off is more heavy steel equipment, higher cost, maintenance, and added profile beneath the load. That profile matters. Raising a tall press brake or turning center shifts its center of gravity upward. If a wheeled unit moves out of position, the machine can cross its tilt point. Machinery sliders take the opposite approach. They are wheelless pads roughly 3/8 of an inch to 1 inch tall and about 1 to 1.5 pounds each. The load barely rises, which greatly reduces tip-over risk. Capacity scales by adding enough sliders to disperse pounds per square inch rather than relying on one fixed per unit ton rating. Their low profile and lightweight also suit shipping containers, dock plates, damaged surfaces, and clean rooms. They require no wheel or bearing maintenance and cost a fraction of many traditional systems. But sliders do not replace every wheel. Sliding is best for shorter, controlled positioning. For long continuous transport, rolling can be smoother and faster. For intricate steering through a complex factory route, dollies still lead. Use this decision rule: long distance on a clear solid floor, machine skates. Tight turns and precise steering, dollies. Low clearance, tip-over safety, containers, clean rooms, or controlled positioning, machinery sliders. Machinery Sliders is a GeekyExpert client. This comparison is based on independent GeekyExpert research and may contain affiliate links. Verify load planning, surface conditions, motive force, and manufacturer guidance before every move. The full research and client link are in the description.